Hello there. Just got done watching the movie Night Swim. This movie came out in 2024. It is a horror film that is 1 hour and 38 minutes long. It is a family moves into a seemingly normal home, unaware that a dark secret from the house's past will unleash a malevolent force in the backyard pool. Dun dun dun! I thought this actually was pretty good. It's rated PG-13. I thought it was pretty good. It's very suspenseful. Yeah, it's very suspenseful. For anyone who has swam in a backyard pool, I mean, this definitely can creep you out a lot.
Yeah, worst nightmare
yeah.
kind of situation. Yeah.
But I thought it was really done really well. I thought the acting was good. I thought the story was good.
Yeah, I didn't think that the worst case scenario in a pool nightmare is getting sucked into the drain pipe, or whatever, getting sucked down. No, this is above it. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
I enjoyed it.
Definitely might make you a little leery swimming in the pool, at least at nighttime when it's a little dark out and
Maybe
stuff.
a couple weeks after you forget about this movie.
But yeah, if you like horror films, then I think this might be one that you might enjoy. Like I said, they did a really good job with the story, with who they chose to perform in this.
Oh yeah, the actors. Yeah, I liked all of them.
It was suspenseful. I did not notice any jump scares. There may have been some moments that were supposed to be jump scares, but they didn't make me jump.
They kind of prepared you for it already.
Yeah, I guess so, because
yeah.
Usually I'm pretty quick to be hit on a jump scare, but this one didn't jump, so it's not overly scary per se. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good. I would give this a 4 out of 5 easy.
Yeah, because it's a new idea, or at least one I haven't seen before.
Yeah, and I feel like they did a really good job with it.
So yeah, I'd say 4 out of 5 for a horror movie for sure.
I will see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. If I can't, I'll link the trailer below. If you've seen Night Swim, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not, have you ever swam in a backyard pool, either above or in ground? Let me know. I have, and I actually enjoy it quite a bit. Let me know if you have or not, and if you like that experience, or if it's one that's just not for you. Maybe you're not a swimming person. I'm not much of a swimmer, but I do like kind of just treading water and chilling in a pool. That's always a nice little way to get some exercise and relax. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.